Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows won't wake up from sleep. First method is type edit power plan in Windows search bar, click edit power plan. Click change advanced power settings. Click and expand PCI Express, click and expand link state power management, change to off, click apply, click OK. Restart system. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Type power CFG space, -H space, off. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Type SFC space, /scanno. Exit and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.